Let's take a look at this problem. We want to solve this by the substitution method. We've got 3x minus 2y equals 8. 3y is equal to 6x minus 2. We'll first look at this via substitution, and then we'll look at it with technology. So our first step, solve one of the equations for one of the variables. So we got 3y is equal to 6x minus 2. And I'm going to solve this for y. So I'll divide everything by 3. So I got y is equal to 6/3 x minus 2/3. Or y is equal to 2x minus 2/3. Step 2, I want to plug this into my other equation. So I'm going to plug that into 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. Okay. Up here we said y is equal to 2x minus 2/3. So we're going to replace the y here with 2x minus 2/3. And then we want to solve. So I'll take negative 2 times 2x gives us negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 2/3 gives me a positive 4/3 equals 8. I might as well combine these together because they're easy to combine together. 3x minus 4x is negative 1x or negative x plus 4/3 equals 8. Get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all your denominators. So multiply everything by 3. 3 times negative x plus 3 times 4/3 equals 3 times 8. 3 times negative x is negative 3x. Here these 3's cancel, and we got 4. And 3 times 8 gives us 24. Take the 4 to the right side, becomes a negative 4. We've got negative 3x is equal to 20, and then divide both sides by negative 3, and you get negative 20/3. Step 3. Plug this into the equation from step 1. It's already solved for y, so we got y is equal to 2x minus 2/3. And we just said x was negative 20/3. So we'll plug that in. Minus 2/3. 2 times negative 20 is negative 40/3. Minus 2/3. Which gives us negative 42/3. That's weird. Comes out nice. Negative 14. So assuming I didn't screw up somewhere, our answer would be negative 20/3, negative 14. Well, let's do this with technology and see if I screwed up. So we got 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. We want to move this 6x over to the left side because you have to have all of your variable terms on one side. When I take the 6x to the left side, it becomes a negative 6x. Plus 3y is equal to negative 2. I drop the x's, y's, and equals, keep the numbers in their signs. So we got 3, negative 2, 8, negative 6, 3, negative 2. This is a 2 by 3. So I do second x and negative 1, that's our inverse button. Left arrow over to edit, enter on A. 2 by 3, so I do 2 enter, 3 enter, and then I press in each number, pressing enter after each one. So 3 enter, negative 2 enter, 8 enter, negative 6 enter, 3 enter, negative 2 enter. Exit out, do second mode, go back in the matrix menu, second x and negative 1, right arrow to math, up arrow to RREF. Enter on that, go back in my matrix menu, second x and negative 1, enter on A, enter again. We got decimals, so we'll do math, enter, enter. That looks like what we found the other way, so let me see. 1001, negative 20 over 3, and negative 14. Two equations, two variables. Our first 2 by 2 should be a diagonal 1, 0, 0 else, which it is. If that's the case, then our far right columns are answers. So this is x and this is y. And I'll put parentheses around them. So we've got negative 20 over 3 and negative 14.